Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best glass food containers is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen essentials for preserving the freshness and quality of your food, and today, we're diving deep into the world of freezer-safe glass food storage containers, exploring their benefits, drawbacks, and helping you find the perfect set to meet your needs. We will look at various factors such as durability, size options, ease of use, and of course, their freezer-safe capabilities, ensuring your food stays delicious and safe for as long as possible. Number 5. FineDine glass containers. These containers are made from high-quality borosilicate glass, known for its durability and clarity. It's perfect for everyday use and built to last. The airtight lids create a perfect seal, keeping your food fresher for longer. They're ideal for meal prepping and storing leftovers. These versatile containers are safe for use in the microwave and oven. Easily transition them from freezer to oven for convenient cooking and reheating. They're stackable, making them perfect for saving space in your fridge or pantry. Efficient storage for all your meal prep needs. Made from BPA-free glass, they're a safe and healthy choice for your kitchen. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your food is stored securely. What we like? It's made of premium borosilicate glass, ensuring longevity and clarity. The airtight lid keeps food fresher for longer. If you need oven-safe containers for meal prepping and reheating, this is a great choice. What people say. The glass is thick and durable, and the lids seal tightly, ensuring everything stays leak-proof. I love that they come in various sizes to fit different portions, and they're also dishwasher safe. Lots of variety in size and shape, and they really class up the fridge when stored and stacked. The lids are the only issue. They lock into place around the dish and have a secure fit, but they don't lock when they're out, so they tend to get in the way when trying to put the lid back onto the dish. Number 4. FineDine glass containers. These containers are made from high-quality borosilicate glass, known for its durability and clarity. It's perfect for everyday use and built to last. The precision-fit lids create an airtight seal, keeping your food fresher for longer. They're ideal for meal prepping and storing leftovers. These versatile containers are safe for use in the microwave and oven. Easily transition them from freezer to oven for simple reheating. They're stackable, making them perfect for maximizing space in your fridge or pantry. They're great for storing large meals or organizing your pantry. Made from BPA-free glass, they provide safe and reliable food storage. You can trust them for all your kitchen needs. This set includes 24 containers, giving you plenty of options for meal prepping and storing leftovers. You'll always have the right size container on hand. What we like? These containers are also made from premium borosilicate glass, offering both durability and clarity. The airtight seal preserves freshness, making them perfect for leftovers. If you're looking for a high-quality, long-lasting option, this is it. What people say. The glass is thick and durable, and the lids seal tightly, ensuring everything stays leak-proof. I love that they come in various sizes to fit different portions, and they're also dishwasher safe. Lots of variety in size and shape, and they really class up the fridge when stored and stacked. The lids are the only issue. They lock into place around the dish and have a secure fit, but they don't lock when they're out, so they tend to get in the way when trying to put the lid back onto the dish. Number 3. JoyJolt Joyful Storage Containers. These versatile containers are perfect for meal prepping, storing leftovers, and keeping your food fresh. They're made from durable borosilicate glass, so you can use them in the freezer, oven, and microwave. With 24 pieces in a variety of shapes and sizes, you'll find the perfect container for any need. From large rectangular dishes to smaller round containers, they're all included in this set. The airtight silicone seals and secure clips keep your food fresh and prevent leaks. You can even use them for soups and sauces without worrying about spills. These containers are made from borosilicate glass, also known as space shuttle glass, making them incredibly durable and resistant to extreme temperatures. They're safe for use in the freezer, oven, and microwave. Cleaning up is a breeze. These containers are completely dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. They are also freezer and oven safe, making them incredibly versatile. They arrive in a beautiful gift box, making them perfect for gifting. Plus, they come with a 12-month warranty, so you can buy with confidence. Whether you're using them for lunch or leftovers, these containers make food storage easy and enjoyable. Live, joyful, and cook for joy. What we like. This set boasts a wide variety of shapes and sizes to suit your needs. They're also freezer and oven safe, making them incredibly versatile. If you need versatile containers for all your cooking and storage needs, consider this set. What people say. The lids clamp down easily and are not difficult to open. Being concerned about the safety of using plastic for food, these take care of that problem. Love the variety of sizes and that they are microwave safe. The lids are tight with no concern of leakage. This product is well built, is several options and sizes to choose from, and is durable. These storage containers are truly amazing. We used them for leftovers after Thanksgiving, accidentally forgot about them, for several weeks, and the food inside still looked like it did when we filled them. These are so airtight that no moisture can get in. Number 2. MCIRCO Glass Meal Prep Containers. It's a set of 10 22-ounce glass containers, perfect for prepping your meals ahead of time. Save time and effort by cooking once and enjoying delicious meals throughout the week. These are made from strong, premium borosilicate glass. They're durable enough to withstand the freezer, microwave, oven, and dishwasher. The snap-on lids with silicone seals create an airtight barrier. This keeps your food fresh and prevents leaks, unlike some plastic containers. These containers are incredibly versatile. You can use them to prepare, store, heat, and even serve your meals with ease. Their stackable design helps keep your fridge and cabinets organized. They'll save you valuable space in your kitchen. What we like. The stackable design saves space in your kitchen. The airtight lids keep food fresh, and they're microwave safe for easy reheating. If you value convenience and space-saving design, this is a great option. What people say. The sturdy, high-quality glass feels durable and doesn't stain, even with sauces or oils. The lids fit securely, preventing leaks, which makes them perfect for meal prep or packing lunches. The portion sizes are ideal, not too big, not too small, and the compartments help keep food separate. They're microwave, dishwasher, and freezer safe, so cleaning and reheating are a breeze. The glass is thick and the lids fit perfectly and are easy to latch on and off. Number 1. Bayco 8-pack glass food storage. These versatile containers are perfect for meal prepping, storing leftovers, or packing lunches. They're also great for picnics and travel. They're safe for use in the oven, below 752 degrees Fahrenheit, microwave, lids excluded, and dishwasher, making them incredibly convenient. Cleaning is a breeze. The snap-locking lids create an airtight seal, keeping your food fresh and preventing spills. No more messy leaks in your bag. Made with high-quality borosilicate glass and BPA-free lids, they're durable, easy to clean, and won't absorb stains or odors. They're built to last. We offer a full-day after-sales service. If you have any issues, contact us for a quick resolution. This set includes 8 30-ounce containers and 8 lids, providing ample storage for all your food needs. Get organized and start prepping today. What we like. These containers offer a generous capacity, perfect for larger meals or leftovers. The airtight, leak-proof design ensures freshness and prevents spills. If you need large, reliable containers for meal prepping or storing leftovers, this is a great option. What people say. The lids fit tight and snug. I also like that the gaskets can be removed to clean them. These containers are also pretty large, which is great for taking leftovers for lunch or just making quick plates to heat up later. Because it's borosilicate glass, it's safe to put in the freezer or oven. Lid is not oven safe. Also, when putting into the freezer, the container is airtight, so no additional moisture ice is getting into your food. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.